Hello everyone, welcome back to my UATM official channel. Today I am showing you again and I will teach you how to share your internet networks from your smartphones to the computer. So there are three ways that you can share your internet from your mobile phone to the computer. For the laptop version, they have already Wi-Fi that have already plugged in the Wi-Fi inside the hardware. But for the desktop version, just like that, you will not see able to see any Wi-Fi or any driver inside it. This is the USB cable here, and make sure that your USB cable is have four lines, black, white, green and red. So you make sure that all of the string are still working, and you can't use anywhere inside the USB port, just like that. Okay, and now we connect it with the smartphone. Now you turn off your hotspot device. If you don't have any adapter drivers or you don't have a USB Wi-Fi, I tell you the method too that can also share your internet from your mobiles also. Now you have to connect your USB cable here, and when you see it is connect the USB cable, you will see the driver is loading like that. Here's the driver loading here, and make sure that your driver is loading. After you have seen the driver loadings, you need to click on back like that. Click on the back key, and you will see the word that is called USB tethering. If you are not connected the USB cable, this button is will be in the gray mode or will be in the blur mode, so you cannot drag it. But when you connect the USB just like that, it will turning on. It will turning on the button here just like that. Okay, and now the USB start to install again, and don't worry about it because this method no need any drivers outside to install in your PC. So this is the way that we have a connection, and the hotspot we have already turned it off. Now we have already turned the hotspot, turn off the hotspot, so don't need to use hotspot. And now we have to remove this one to make sure that we already remove it. And now you turn your data, turn on your data, turn mobile data here, and now it will see the data is working now. And here we go, and you already works now. Okay, now it is working now, and here we go that you can go to your anything that will be works just like that. Now I'm gonna switch my account, and here you go guys, it's the channel here, and now here is all my videos that it is very works with the USB cable internet sharing. Now it look like this inside your PC. You can check it out here. It is working. And the method 3 is the Bluetooth. Bluetooth can also share the internet from your mobile phone to the computer too, but for the desktop version you need to buy something that is similar to this, that is called Bluetooth, USB Bluetooth. So you need to buy it and plug it and then install the drivers, and it will be find your Bluetooth inside this hidden bar here. And okay guys, I hope you all understand, and it will help you to see the internet working with internet sharing. The method 2 is, so the first thing that you're gonna need is this one. It is called the Wi-Fi adapters here. It is called Wi-Fi. It generally is coming from the Realtek. So it is here's the version of the files, the version of that thing. So you need to buy this one, and I think they have a lot of shop that selling this Wi-Fi connector, a USB Wi-Fi, just like that, especially in the computer shops and smartphone shop. I think all of this have sell a lot in the world. So the first you need to have this one for the desktop version, and you need to plug it in the PC version with the USB port, just like that. Now I'm gonna plug it like this. Okay, now we already plugged that, and after you plug it, you will see this signs here. You will see this Wi-Fi sign here. Before you get this, you need to install one that called the Realtek drivers here. Okay, Realtek driver for Windows drivers. So you need to install that. You need to set up that to make this one is work. So you need to install it, and you will get the Wi-Fi like this. Okay, after you have already installed the drivers, you need to go to your setting on your smartphone device. In this video tutorial, I teaching you about the Android device, not an iOS device. So it could be thing can be different between Android and iOS. Now I'm gonna click that, and you will see the internet sharings, just like more like that, and you need to find something that is called tethering and hostpot, just like that. Now click on that, and you will see the Wi-Fi hotspot like that, and you can set up the names or click on a config Wi-Fi hotspot to set up your password by your own. Now click put the password like that, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, and here is the name of the Wi-Fi networks that you have been seeing from your mobile device. And now click save, and you make sure that you remember the password, and then drag it on like that. By drag it on like that, you will see something inside your PC version. When you see it, just like that, click on that, and you will see the Wi-Fi is now connected, because I have already put the password. Now I'm gonna show you how to disconnect it from the internet. Now I'm gonna remove it again, and I will show you. Okay, for the first time you need to see this this mark here like that, and now we're gonna click it and click on connect. When they gonna be connect, you must add the password that you have been already set up a few moments ago. Just now type 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Here is the password that you just setting up from your mobile device. And here we already connected now. In this video is for the first time for the Wi-Fi hotspot, and from your smartphone to your PC for the desktop version. Okay, thank you for watching my video tutorial. Thank you.